What's up, guys? So we're gonna take a break from the Subi because Subi Fest is freaking canceled, and we're gonna be doing shit on the bikes. So right now my friend brought his own bike over, and I think the head gasket blew. So we're gonna crack that shit open, and hopefully it's just a head gasket. We're gonna fix that shit quick. I think he took off his air filters. Yeah, he did. He washed his bike and he took everything off and just covered all the filters over there, or where the filters would go. That we can get it nice and clean. It should still start like that though. Should be no biggie. Alright, let's pull the choke. Like that. Start out. Probably gonna take a while. Probably would help if the gas was on. Jesus. Alright, let's try it again. Shit, it's freaking hella smoke in here, so like I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. So it's turning on, but it's just throwing a shit ton of smoke. And that shit doesn't stay on. So I'm thinking the right cylinder on this side. Let me show you guys. On this side. That's where the leak is probably going to be, I'm assuming. Because I built this bike, and when I built it, it didn't do this, so it didn't smoke that much either. So that's the... There's also coolant in the carbs. So that makes me think that coolant got in the cylinder, and then with the pressure, it just kind of backfired into the carb. Dang, what the hell? Looks like I'm smoking in here. I don't smoke those. But yeah, so I'm just going to take off the gas tank and then start removing all the bolts and stuff to take the head off, and maybe I can see what the hell went down. But, yeah. I'm just gonna take off all these plastics so I can get to the tank, and then we're gonna start tearing apart the head. I always like to put this back. If you guys work on cars or bikes or whatever, it's always good to put your bolts or screws back into where they screw in, that way you don't lose them. It's just a good idea, good tip. Alright, we got the plastics off. I was gonna take this one off, but I don't really need to, because I think once I take the tank off, I'm gonna be able to access that pretty well. So I'm gonna take the tank off and then we'll go from there. You know what? I might need to take the pipes off too. Now, if you ever worked on Banshees, you know these are a pain in the ass to take off. Well, if you don't know how to do it, my buddies hate doing this shit. It's so funny. Pretty much what you gotta do is just grab them and then put a little bit of huevos in it, you know, and just pull it down. Like that. You good to go? Alright, these should come off now. That's loose. This here. And then they should just slide off from here. And then come off. Alright, so pipes are off. I think it's just a head gasket, but I'm done for today. I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. But tomorrow we're gonna be taking off the gas tank and removing the head gasket, or the cool head. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, you guys? So we're gonna just start tearing into this mother effer. It's been like 2 days, so I had to work and I was tired, so we're just gonna start ripping into this. We're gonna get the gas tank off, and we're gonna get hopefully the head off today, and we can see what the hell's wrong with this thing. Let's get it.